Welcome to AP Engineers Hub, land width calculation for canal land acquisition. This is cross section of canal in full cutting. Bed width is 1.65, canal top width is 3.45 meters, and FSD is 0.6, freeboard is 0.3. These are the spoil banks. Bed width is 1 meter. Top width of cutting is equal to B plus 2 and D. Here N is 1 is to 1 slope. Therefore 3.45 meters. Total area of cutting is equal to B plus ND into D is equal to 2.295 square meters. Area of cutting on each side 2.295 by 2 equal to 1.14 square meters. Spoil bank measurements. Top width of spoil bank is 1 meter. Side slopes are 1.5:1. Assume height of spoil bank is equal to 0.6 meters. Therefore, bottom width is equal to 2.8 meters. We have to assume height of spoil bank to get required area on trial and error basis. Area of spoil bank is equal to 1.14 square meters. It is equal to this area. Net area required for banks from side slope, side spoil on each side is equal to 1.14 square meters. Width of spoil, side spoil required each side is equal to 2.8 meters. That is 2.8 meters. Both sides. Therefore, land width required on left side is equal to 2.8 meters. That is spoil bank bottom width plus 1 meter berm plus 3.45 by 2 top width of canal by 2 is equal to 5.525, say 6 meters. Land width required on right side is equal to same as LS. Therefore, total width required is equal to 6 plus 6, 12 meters. Now, canal in partial cutting. Here, depth of cutting is 0.31 meters. Depth of stripping is equal to 0.15 meters. This is 0.15 because it is banking. Stripping is necessary. Therefore, height of bank is equal to 0.62 plus 0.15 stripping height, total 0.77 meters. This is the borrow area, side borrow, 1 meter beyond the toe of bank. Depth is 0.5 meters, width is 2.5 meters. Canal width is 1.5 meters. Total area of cutting is equal to 2.1 top width plus bottom width by 2 into 0.31. That is this portion. Direct area of stripping 2.12 into 0.15. This is this portion. Therefore, area of useful soil in cutting is equal to 0.242 square meters. Area of banking required for banks is equal to 2.54 bottom width plus 1 meter top width by 2 into 0.77. That is this portion, this bank portion. 1.36 square meters. Net area required for banks from side spoil on each side 1.36 square meters minus 0.12 is equal to 1.24 square meters. This 0.12 means 0.242 by 2 one side. Land width required on left side is equal to 2.12 by 2. That means half of the top width plus bottom width of bank plus 1 meter plus 2.5 meters. Outlet of bank canal plus bank width plus 1 meter plus 2.5 meters borrow length. Total 7.1 meters. Land width required on right side is same as left side is equal to 7.1 meter. Therefore, total width required is equal to 14.2 meters. Say 15 meters. Similarly, canal in full banking. Hence, this portion will not come, only banking portion. We have to calculate like that.